The Kidde battery-operated carbon monoxide alarm protects your family from the dangers of carbon monoxide. Its test reset button will test the unit's operation and allows you to silence the alarm after danger has been addressed. It features LED lights, green for normal operation, red for alarm. This alarm is battery-operated, providing continuous protection even during power outages. This easy-to-install alarm is suitable for all living areas. The Kidde battery-operated carbon monoxide alarm provides your family with an early warning signal to the danger of carbon monoxide. Kidde, technology that saves lives.
Today we're taking a look at the carbon monoxide detector by Kidde. This is a battery operated carbon monoxide detector. It comes with two AA batteries, which can be placed in the back here. Take the cover off. This goes on the wall with these mounting brackets. It also comes with a handy user guide so you know how to set it on your wall. Carbon monoxide detectors are best to be as low to the ground as possible so that you can have the best chance of escaping in case of a carbon monoxide situation in your home. So the back slides on like this. You just slide it on right there. It'll be on the wall or down by the floorboards is best. It has an alarm setting here. When it's flashing green, that means it's good. You can test the battery once a week here to make sure it's working properly. We can do that now. So you can hear that. So it's plenty loud, and that'll wake you up and alert you to leave the home. So yeah, it's a good carbon monoxide detector. I have a few in my home, and they're great to have around where you don't have electrical outlets so that you can put them down wherever you want in the room. So thanks for watching.
This is a quick comparison between these two carbon monoxide detectors to help you decide what one's right for you. Over here I've got one from Kidde. It has just a simple button here for a test and reset. On the back here, it's powered by two AA batteries that are included. This has a 10-year lifespan before it needs to be replaced. It also has a couple of indicators here if the alarm is sounding and if it is under normal operation that will blink green. This one over here just has a simple button here. It runs off of two AAA batteries. Those are not included. It can be mounted to the wall with these two screw holes here. To give you an idea of what each one sounds like, I'll push the test buttons. So you can hear this one's much louder than this one. This one does show the particulates measured in a digital display down here. I think this one might be good for just a garage or moving around the house because it is so small and portable. Somewhere that's going to be close to you so you can hear it because it is a little bit more quiet. This would be a better option for a bigger room or to be notified in another room of the house. I hope this quick comparison helps you decide which one of these carbon monoxide detectors is best for you.